Hello everyone, welcome back to a new video. It's been a while since I've uploaded because obviously I've broken my leg, but you can probably tell I am walking now finally after ages. I'm a little bit limpy, but I definitely recovered. So today is Wednesday and it's about 5 p.m. We've had some little bit of an issue with the car, but it's been an issue for ages since, sorry, look this way, the sun's in the way. Since I broke my leg, I haven't been able to do anything with the car. We missed my first drift day, so it's not great. But we're back now, so the issue that we had was the brake fluid for the hydro. Let me just open the car. In here we had, so these lines I've replaced, they were silver and like metal-like. Basically, the liquid you see in here, which is dot forward brake and clutch fluid, which I have there, it kept leaking out of somewhere and it would just bunch up in this bit here, and it like slid down the wire, not the wire, the tube, and just stay there. So we've had to remodel all of this with new nice rubber, so it's looking a lot better. That's the only issue we really had. Pretty much ready to go. I'm ready to go, my foot's feeling fine, and yeah, there's nothing else to really talk about except it's been a wild journey for like, I think it's been about 16-17 weeks now since I've even walked. But I'm actually very grateful that I can walk now because I can drift now, and on Sunday I'm drifting again. So, well, not again, but first time in my car. I'm going to be very happy. The car is ready. I'm excited for Sunday. I've got loads of passengers, even though that's not like, there's only a few people coming, but everyone wants to be passenger that day. But I'm so excited. We got Callum, Josh, Harry's unfortunately away on holiday. But they're the drifters that are coming, and some more. And I'm just really excited because it's my first ever drift day, and I haven't drifted in ages. I've been doing work on the sim, so that's all right. I've been getting better with chasing and tandeming on the sim. I'll probably end this part here, and we'll see you on Sunday, where hopefully this will be on the trailer and we'll be on the road to Stafford to meet everyone. So yeah, I'm very excited and I can't wait. Just so excited. Right, I'll see you then. Good morning everybody. Today is Sunday and it's drift day. A bit windy today. So yeah, last night we put it on the trailer. There wasn't any issue. Well, there was an issue actually. It was the brake fluid for the handbrake hydro. It leaked again at the reservoir, so let's see if it's leaked anymore. Look, it's leaked a tiny bit. Oh no, it hasn't. We filled it up last night, but it has a little bit. It leaks there at that reservoir. So yeah, that's not great, but car's on the trailer ready to go. It will last a day, I'm sure. So yeah, we're literally ready. We've got 4 tyres in there, 4 tyres in there, on there, sorry. And yeah, this is just looking amazing. I really can't wait to go. I'm so excited for today. I couldn't get any sleep last night. I was just I stood awake. I'm so excited. I couldn't get any sleep. I woke up way before I put my alarm on. But yeah, I'm really excited for today. I just absolutely can't wait. It just looks so good on the trailer. Finally it's on the trailer again. I'm actually using the trailer and the car today. So yeah, so for today's plan is I'm gonna get the car there, obviously, drive there. I'm gonna take about an hour and 15, and we're gonna go on the playpen or the skid pad for about 30 minutes, just to get used to my car, because I've never ever drifted my car actually. So I've only drifted Lexuses, that's it. So we need to get used to the car, make sure the car's alright, because we've bled the hydro, so that just needs a bit more use. And I just need to practice again because I've been not drifting for ages, but I should hopefully have it. The track's wet, so it's going to be like not really fast and shouldn't hopefully be too grippy. So I did pump the tyres up yesterday. I probably might lower or higher the pressures. The rear are at 50 psi, so that's going to be quite low grip. Spiderweb there. And on the front it's about 20 or 30, I think, so it's going to be a high grip. So I've got loads of passengers for today. I don't think I'll be in Josh or Callum's car really at all today, to be honest, if I'm going to be honest with you. because my God, that's all. But yeah, I'm super excited for today. I just can't wait to be on the skid pad and not actually on the track. I'm really nervous to go on the track, but I know I can do it now since I did my lesson. But yeah, I'm looking forward to today. It's going to be absolutely mega, and I guess we'll see you at Stafford. So we've had a couple issues, or a issue. Over there is a skid pad where I was just skidding about. We needed to test the hydro because of the fluid and stuff like that wasn't, because obviously the leak and stuff. So yeah, it's still leaking from the reservoir a bit. So I've had to not use the hydro today. We've bled it once today. We tried to anyway. Still didn't make a difference. I think we cleaned some of the brake pads. I need new brake pads because they're not the best. But yeah, that's the issue with that. So the whole day I haven't had a hydro. The whole day I haven't used the handbrake. I only used it up there testing it, getting it better, but a brake line tube popped out, so it's not giving any pressure, so I can't use a handbrake. So yeah, that's going to need sorting.
You're going.
What happened here is when I pulled the hydro, I had to dab the brake to make the wheels lock up, but because I'm braking, the car's straightening, so this is why the handbrake pull didn't work. Okay, what a day. That has been absolutely mental. It's over now. It's about 4 p.m. I've come off the track because it is getting a bit rowdy up there. There was a crash and stuff, and everyone's going insane now since it's the last 30 seconds. So we did 3 laps, and then Andy switched it to 1 lap, come off, 1 lap, come off. So it was sort of a good cycle that was. So, but yeah, I had a brilliant day, clutch kicking all day, and it's actually been really good. I haven't been able to do like link every corner because you're gonna need the handbrake for some of it, but I've linked as much as I can, and actually I think I did really well today. You know, I spun a couple times, yeah, whatever, but I didn't crash, and without the handbrake I did pretty well. And we haven't even used one set of tyres. Look, they're full grip here. Look, these were, I think, well, they came on the car and they went pretty well. So if you look at this, look, still loads of grip, still quite dirty, but not too dirty today. It has been a really good day despite having those issues. It's starting to rain again now, but yeah, it's been very good. I've had an amazing time, lots of passengers. I had Josh, no, I didn't even have Josh. I had literally my dad, my sister, mom and Jazz. So yeah, she was recording the last bits, and we had so much fun. Honestly, it has been the best day ever. I don't think I've ever had a better day. Driving my car after breaking my leg, which I can now walk on, and then just going out there and sending it. I'm so happy today. And the fact that, because I first did my first laps, right, and I was shaking, I was nervous, didn't do very well, and yeah, second lap, same, didn't do very well, but I still managed to try my best with clutch kicking. I did use a handbrake a little bit, didn't really help, but then after lunchtime had a break, went out with my dad and smashed it all day. Basically every lap has gone pretty much better for me. I think I've span like 5 times overall, and I've been out like 7 times now. But yeah, I really regret not taking Josh and Callum out. I didn't film all day, to be fair. I'm filming it all in one here, and hopefully you'll see the drifting clips after this. But wow, has it been a good day. I need to take them out next time. I just can't wait. So I think we've got 2 months now until the next one, since I'm on holiday and stuff. But this car is amazing. Like, other than the hydro, not a problem. Like, everything is working fine. It does misfire occasionally sometimes. You just have to turn it on and turn it off, and it just sorts it out. But yeah, it's been really good. Clutch kicking, power, and the grip was absolutely perfect. I'm running 50 psi on the rear and 30 on the front, and it's going so well. It just slides effortlessly. Like, I'm just doing this, and it's sliding absolutely beautifully. I probably could have linked all the corners with the handbrake. I probably actually could have, but yeah, a couple times spin, a couple times not. I'm really proud, really happy, really grateful. Just want to say thanks to my mum, dad, sister, Jazz's mum, Josh, Josh's dad, Josh's mum, Callum's mum, Callum's dad, for actually like trying to fix my car, Rob and Callum. Oh, it's just been an amazing day. I've never had this fun in one day. I literally have recorded nothing, so I don't know if you'll see the first part of me drifting, but yeah, honestly, it's been a great day. I'm so happy. Let me just show you the inside, because why not? So yeah, oh, it's just absolutely brilliant. So this is the issue here. I have 2-cylinder handbrake, so one goes that way to the rear wheels. So it keeps leaking out of here, and then the brake line is obviously come out. I think it was this side. Yeah, this side. So when we tried to bleed it, just the brake line popped off, and we have to buy a new one. But yeah, today's been brilliant. It's been a bit dirty today, but yeah, it's going really well. Off track now, and hopefully I can get some clips in my car, and Josh comes in, we can get some clips together, and Callum's in over there. So yeah, really good day today. I'll show you the front, because why not? Yeah, been an absolutely smashing day. Best day ever, not gonna lie. Driving my own car today just felt surreal, honestly. Literally 2 laps in, didn't do very well. Straight after lunch, started getting the seat time in, just things went brilliantly. So yeah, if you get more seat time, obviously that's what's gonna fix your driving, because yeah, you can even do it without a handbrake. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed the video. I might get some clips if I'm not already asleep, because I'm gonna be asleep, of it coming off the trailer and trailer in it when we get home. But yeah, otherwise, thanks for watching, see you soon.